Hello, Redondo Beach. It's time for your monthly real estate market update. We know that understanding the housing market can be a challenge, but I'm here to make it simple for you. The Redondo Beach housing market remains competitive, with homes receiving an average of 7 offers before selling in roughly 28 days. That's just a bit longer than the 20-day average from last year. The median sale price of homes in Redondo Beach is really impressive. When it comes to single-family homes, the median sale price stands at just about 1.6 million, reflecting an 8.6% year-over-year increase. However, it's noteworthy that the percentage of homes selling above list price has decreased by about 42%. On the condo front, prices vary widely. We've seen two-bedroom condos ranging from $690,000 to $1.3 million, and three-bedroom condos between $1.3 million and a whopping $4.7 million. A fascinating trend in Redondo Beach is that 82% of home buyers are choosing to stay within the metropolitan area, while 18% are looking to relocate. We're also seeing interest from out-of-area buyers, especially from San Francisco, Chicago, and New York. So let's take a deeper dive into the data to see what it all means. Okay, as promised, let's take a deeper dive into the data, and we're going to be looking at the Redondo Beach condominium market and then digging a little deeper to try to focus on what's relevant to Brookside Village. So first slide, we're looking at a couple diagrams here. First, on the left side, this is just an overview of the Redondo Beach condominium market, not specific to Brookside Village, but just an overview. We're looking at some of the key indicators here. About a third of the way down, you'll see average days on market is holding at 35. It's been trending down. A downward trend is what we want to see here. We want to see homes selling faster. And another item to be aware of towards the bottom, third from the bottom, inventory. That had been trending down, but it seems to have taken a little bit of a jump up. So we want to keep our eye on that, because as inventory increases, that means supply is increasing. And as interest rates stay a little bit higher than what most home buyers are used to, we want to keep an eye, make sure that doesn't negatively affect demand. But overall, looking at the right side, which is really the summary, what does this all mean? We have a strong seller's market in the Redondo Beach condominiums, for Redondo Beach condominiums. So, but what about Brookside Village? Because we do have a wide variety of price ranges. So I have segmented that previous data out into 4 different segments, focusing on here where the green arrow is, average $899. That sort of brings us into the general market in Brookside Village. And what we're looking at here over on the right side, days on market is about 14. That means the units are going fairly quickly when they come to the market. But one thing to look at here where it says new and absorbed. So for every 4 new listings, 3 of them are absorbed. Usually I like to see that the other direction, opposite. So for every 3 new listings, 4 get absorbed. That means really strong demand and not enough supply. But here we're seeing 3 sales for every 4 new listings. That means we have one outlier that doesn't get picked off quickly for whatever reason. So we're going to keep an eye on that as the months go by and make sure that doesn't get any worse. Now let's look at list price. So here, follow the red line. That red line is the price range that we most often see in Brookside Village. So what we can see here is relative stability, but looking way back June of 2018, we can see that there was just some little bit of oscillation, but then July 2020, remember the market was really heating up during the coronavirus period and really low interest rates. So we saw it trending up all the way through about late summer of 2022. And then that's when interest rates started to go up. And we can see that it took a little bit of a dip, not a big one, It did turn around a little bit in August, but of course, then we got a few more rate increases. So it has been trending down with those rate increases. But now here we are. This data should take us through right about May, June, and we can see that I think we've bottomed out with that decrease, that we are leveling off. Pretty much it's the same for the three of the main segments there, red, gold, and blue, or teal. But for us here in the red zone, I think we are leveling off and starting to trend up a little bit for list price. So we'll keep an eye on that over the coming months to make sure that that trend continues. Now, here's where we bring it all together in what I call the market action index. It takes all of that other data and sort of crunches it into one sort of easy to see, I know it's a little bit jiggly there, but generally easy to see trend line. And this helps us forecast where things are going. So this goes back to November of 2020, and you can see that things were pretty busy during that period from the end of 2020 into 2021, super busy market. Summer 2022, things started to head down because of rising interest rates, but then getting into the early part of this year, January, February, March, we started bottoming out. Even though interest rates continued to increase, we saw that that decrease in the index level out, and then it started to trend back up. So looking there at our last data point, which is in June, I think we're on a good trajectory. Again, we will continue watching this over the next couple of months and make sure it continues to trend up. And that will give us a good, healthy market to get homes sold quickly. As long as they're priced correctly, they're presented well, we should be able to get homes sold relatively quickly in Redondo Beach and specifically in Brookside Village. Okay, so there's the data. We'll head back outside to continue our conversation outside. If you do have any questions about the data here, you have my contact information below the video. You can leave any comments and questions, and we can have a more in-depth discussion. So there you have it, folks. That's the state of the real estate market in our vibrant Redondo Beach community. Keep an eye on these trends, and if you're considering buying or selling, remember, knowledge is key to making the best decisions. Stay tuned for more updates next month, and if you or somebody you know is looking to buy or sell a home here in Redondo Beach, my contact information is down below. Feel free to drop me a line, and we can do a deeper dive into the local market and data and your needs. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.